Thank you for joining me. My name is Royal. Wow, we had an incredible day in the market again today. This stock that I've got on my screen, ELPW, at one point was up over 3,500% today. Absolutely insane. You can see that it reached a high of 1527. This started back below $1 per share. And then the fun thing for me today is I had a chance to trade this. I traded it multiple times. I actually took my first position right here on this 130, roughly 132 halt, and then I sold out up here in the 160s and was able to make about $2,000 on it. Then I was away from my computer the remainder of the day until coming into the later afternoon. And up on this halt here, as we halted into $9 a share, I took another position. Nothing huge. I did 1,500 shares. I scaled halfway out on the next unhalt, and then I started scaling a little bit out as we moved further up. It's tough with these. You just never know when you're going to get that jackknife down, but we did keep holding the prior halt levels, so I was content to stay in a little longer. I ended up making another $2,100 on that move. And then I did watch this a little bit in the after hours. It's still actively trading right now. But as you can see, it's moved significantly lower. It put in this downtrending resistance, and we just could not break back through that. So this was the cap of an amazing trading month. I will end the month up just over $25,000 on the month of January. My best trading month that I've had. I've really been pushing myself hard to follow those key four principles that I've referenced. One, I assume that I'm wrong until I'm proven otherwise. Two, I expect to be uncomfortable. Three, I add when I'm right. And number four, I never add when I'm wrong. And that has capped off what has been an incredible December and January for me, actually. Again, I am trading in the simulator in order to get comfortable with my process and executing the strategy and the trades correctly. And I will need to be able to apply these same principles as I transition over to real money. So as we take a look at the month, I'm going to just pull that up here briefly. I will post a full recap for my month performance, and I'll do that tomorrow. But when we look at the month of January, here's my December and January. As you can see, great December, even better January. The market was much hotter in January than December. And when we add in the roughly 4,200 to today, that'll put me up almost to $27,000 on the month of January. As I mentioned, the market's definitely been hotter, so I was able to take advantage of some better moves and get a little bit of continuation on these stocks as they were running up. But we have just had some insane moves. I mean, the halt bands on this were really tight on ELPW, just given that we were under $1 per share when this started to move higher. But there was great opportunity just staying consistent and focused, taking smaller size. Of course, you want to be able to make sure you can scale out of this and not get burned if you're in too heavy. But I was really happy for this move today. So grateful to end on January on a strong note. It's been a really great month. I've been very, very grateful for the praying that I've been able to do and asking God to help me understand what I need to do better, where I can make improvements. And look, it's not like you're just going to figure this all out overnight. So if you're struggling, that's okay. I would strongly encourage you go back to the simulator, use a professional simulator like this one. This is through Warrior Trading, but use a professional simulator so that you can practice your strategy and gain that confidence so that even if you go back to trading real money and you're trading 10 shares or 50 shares, you can push yourself to execute in the same way you did in the simulator. The market's going to be there for you. There are going to be opportunities. The most important piece is that you get down this skill yourself so that then you can take better advantage of those opportunities that will continue to be available to you. Hope you all had a wonderful January. Make it a great weekend. Enjoy some time away from the markets. Enjoy your families. We'll catch you all on Monday.